Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. We are doing our hair again because we love to do our hair. I love to switch my hair up, so today we're going easy. So today I have this 26-inch Yaki Straight wig from Megalookhair. It's pretty long. I feel like I haven't done like super long hair in a minute, so I'm excited to put on something a little long. And again, this is a half wig. We are going easy with our hair today. I'm going to section off the hair that I want out. Since this is a Yaki straight texture, I really don't have to do much to my leave out because it's already straight. So, to be left out. Not too much. This half wig does have combs installed in it, and then it also has this drawstring in the back that we will use to tighten it up. And of course, if you have like braids, sticking the combs in like your anchor braids would be ideal. And then there's a comb in the back. As well as a drawstring. I'm just going to tighten the drawstring and then tuck this excess string into the cap. That's all. We just tuck the string in so it's not like sticking out of our wig. So, and then I'm literally just combing my hair in. Like, there's literally, I could go out like this if I wanted to. Literally go out like this if I wanted to. But today I think I actually want to throw some curls in. This is how long the 26-inch is on me. You can even go like ponytail. It did come with this headband. Let's try it on. If you wanted to keep it simple, you can just go headband and call it a day. You go headband and call it a day. Like, I walk out the house like this for sure. Me, I think I'm gonna throw some simple curls in this unit. Probably go with bigger sections. I don't want to curl my hair because I want to do like a little style. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so the hair is all curled up. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do. I was gonna do like 2 little ponytails, but if we're keeping it simple, babe, this might just be the style. Because when you do, this is cute, when you do so many videos, like I be running out of hairstyles. And I be wanting to keep it simple, keep it quick. I hate when like styles take too long, you know. Styles take too long, but now I'm not interested. But a cute little natural curly look is cute. And since this hair is Yaki Straight, like, that's cute. The bouncy curls are cute. So we're just gonna pop these clips out. Did I get them all? Yeah. I didn't really want to curl my hair, so I'm just gonna ignore that. But this is cute. The curls are bouncy. I almost don't want to comb them out. I don't want to comb them out. So we're just gonna flip them over like this. This is cute. This is a look I can get into. Get into it. Tuck that behind the ear. I like this. This is cute. Like, not doing too much. And it all just like blends. This looks like my hair. Look at that. Please. Yeah. This is the style. I really don't want to do anything else. This is the style. This is cute. A 5-minute style. This is literally all I use on my edges now, but I want to use, sometimes I use hairspray, it just kind of depends, but for the most part, I'm just grabbing this setting foam. I feel like I might need like a strong hold setting foam, if that's a thing. Only because it doesn't leave a residue on my edges. At the end of the night, I can wrap my hair and do it again the next day without having to worry about product. But yeah, I love that for me. She's so cute. The girls are so cute. I love it. It's giving natural mommy. It's giving, I've been growing my hair for 16 years. Never had a haircut. But yeah, okay. Here's what we're looking like from the side. The back. Love it. Okay, so this is the look. This is the Megalook wig. And we're outie. I will be sure to list all of Megalook's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link for this wig that I'm wearing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this really cute, quick video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.